Hello students, I am Lakshmi Mari. I am taking 3rd standard science subject. Anything that has mass and occupies space is called a matter. Every object around us is made of matter. Matter is anything that occupies space and has mass. The three states of matter are solid, liquid and gases. All the things that you named are matter: rocks, stones, sand, air, water, milk, oil, desks, chairs, books, and pencils, um, cupboards, tables, fans, chalks. These all are matters. Even the sun and the moon are also matter. Do you know what matter is made of? Matter is made of tiny particles called molecules. Matter is made of tiny particles called molecules. Next concept is matter occupies space. Observe a book, pencil and an eraser placed on a table. Notice that they occupy some space. Take a balloon and inflate it. You will notice that it increases in size. This is because the air which we blow in the balloons occupies some space. The space occupied by a thing is called its volume. Matter is anything that has mass and takes up space. Take a balloon and inflate it. You will notice that it increases in size, and this is because the air which we blow in the balloon occupies some space, and that space occupies by a thing, it's called a volume. Air occupies space. Next concept is matter has mass. Mass is the amount of matter present in a thing. The mass of a book is the amount of paper present in it. Mass is measured in gram, g, and kilogram means kg. Mass is the amount of matter present in the all things. The mass of a book is the amount of paper present in it. Mass is measured in gram and kilogram. Next, states of matter. Matter exists in one of the three main forms: solid, liquid or gas. These three forms are called the three states of matter. The difference in the three states of matter is because of the manner in which their molecules are packed. Each state of matter has some specific properties. A state of matter is one of the distinct forms in which matter can exist. Matter are observable in everyday life: solid, liquid and gaseous form. So let's learn about the solids. Most solids are hard. They occupy a definite space and have a definite mass. Pens, pencils, books, stones, rocks are all examples of solids. In solids, the molecules are closely packed. They cannot move very easily. That is why solids have a fixed shape. Arrangement of molecules is called a solid state. Most solids are hard. Pens, pencils, books, tables, rocks, these are the examples of solid. Liquid state. Liquids have a definite mass and volume but do not have a definite shape because liquids have a mass and volume do not have a definite shape. Liquids flow and take up the shape of the container they are in. This property of liquid is because the molecules in liquids are loosely packed. Liquids flow from a higher level to a lower level. Arrangement of molecules in liquids. Milk, water, tea, coffee, lemons are some examples of liquid. For example, petrol, diesel, and kerosene are liquids too. The most common liquid on the earth is water. So, liquids flow and take up the shape of container they are in. This property of liquids is because the molecules in liquids are loosely packed. So, liquid flow from higher level to lower level. Next, let's learn about the gases. In a gas, the molecules are very loosely packed. They are free to move about. This is why gases flow and take the shape of the container they are in. Gases do not have a definite shape and volume. Gases have mass and occupy the entire space available. Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen are some examples of gases. In a gas, the molecules are very loosely packed. So, they are free to move about. This is why gases flow and take the shape of the container they are in. Gases do not have a definite shape and volume. Arrangement of molecules in gases. For example, carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen are some examples of gases. Let's learn about the change of state of matter. Matter can change its state on heating and cooling. Heating and cooling, matter can change its state. You have already learnt in the previous lesson that when water is heated, it changes into water vapor by the process of evaporation. When water vapor is cooled, water is formed by the process of condensation, and this process is called a water cycle. You also know that when water is cooled, further ice is formed. This process is called freezing, and when ice is heated, water is formed. This process is called melting. Solid, melting and freezing, and the product is liquid. And liquid, evaporation and condensation, and the product is gases. When solid thing is melting and freezing, they create the state liquid, and liquids, evaporation and condensation, they changes into the gases. Write a short note on states of matter. Write in your science homework book and send on the WhatsApp. Thank you.